Good day, fellow digital voyeurs. It is I, your guide through the pixelated jungle of photographic pomposity. Today, we'll embark on a safari to observe the camera snob in their natural habitat. Ah, do you see that? Off in the distance, there is the unmistakable silhouette of the camera snob. Note the splendid plumage of the camera straps and the oversized camera bag, stuffed as ever with lenses more expensive than the crown jewels themselves. Marvel, if you will, at the way they nonchalantly drop brand names and model numbers into conversations. It's a skill, as though discussing state secrets. Watch as passers-by are regarded with tales of f-stops and exposure triangles, their eyes glazing over like a fresh batch of donuts. But fear not, for I shall bestow upon thee several tactics to avoid the dreadful camera snob's lens-filled clutches. Let's delve into the list, shall we? Number 1. The ignoramus gambit. Pretend you've never heard of a camera before. Canon? Oh, you must mean the big boom things on the pirate ships, right? You will become as invisible to the camera snob as a micro SD card dropped in the Sahara. Number 2. The smart device feint. Boldly inquire if they've tried the latest phone camera. The mere suggestion of such heresy will repel them faster than a magnet's opposite poles in a physics experiment gone mad. Number 3. The misdirection maneuver. You see, spotting a camera snob approaching, simply point to a distant object and exclaim, "Look at that rare bird." This will send them scurrying off with the speed of a shutter in burst mode. Number 4. The old tech babble counter. Drown them in a sea of nonsensical jargon. Ah, yeah, the new XTZ500 is amazing, especially since they've upgraded the pixel inertialess stabilizers. And of course, the quantum autofocus algorithms are unique. Watch the glee as they nod dumbly, their natural predatory instincts confounded by your verbal chicanery. And lastly, number 5, the decoy dialogue. My favorite. Wear headphones, even if they're not playing anything. The universal symbol for I am indisposed. It works even on the most persistent camera snob. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. With these tips, you too can navigate the treacherous waters of the camera snobs and emerge unscathed. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must take my leave. I must get off because camera snobs can smell sarcasm about 4 miles away, and I'm sure I'm reeking of it at the moment. However, it's also worth mentioning that there are plenty of ways to annoy a camera snob as well as avoiding them. If you like to annoy them instead, feel free. Watch this video here. I've got some tips on that.